Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a couple of weeks ago, we of course learned that the Internet Archive had a huge data breach. And of course, if you had an account created for that, you probably should change your passwords, make sure. I know some people were talking about how they removed their accounts or changed things. Now it seems that a couple of weeks later, there's still a problem. And it would have to do with the tokens that were stolen and used against the Internet Archive again. And some are receiving emails and all sorts of things. So it's an ongoing saga here of the Internet Archive. Apparently, they probably should have changed a little more of the tokens and shifted things around for security, and did not do all that they could. So it still gives us this page now, which tells you what's online, what's not. So like the Wayback Machine here, if you click on it, will bring you to the page and a few things. But obviously, there are a few things that aren't available, still a few things that are not working right. And hopefully things are going to get better soon. The Internet Archive is a great place. A lot of you are saying, well, I love that place, and there's so much stuff in there that is cool. I think it's a great idea to try to make a database of all the old stuff on the web. Seeing a web page, I was looking at an old Yahoo page from 2000 when Yahoo was the thing we were using for search, and man, brings you back in time. So hopefully things are going to get better, and that they're slowly going to get out of it. The group behind the original attack, of course, trying to use that info to either try to scam people or try to get some access to some of the accounts, which is, of course, always a little sad. So hang in there if you are a big user of the Internet Archive. Slowly, things are coming back to normal, hopefully, but still some problems after a couple of weeks. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.